Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming the LV Petite Malle handbag. So this is what the box looks like. It just comes in a normal orange standard box, and then when you open it, this is what the inside looks like. I've already opened it, so I've already taken the ribbons off and stuff like that. So this is what the box looks like, and then once you've opened it, the receipt will just come in this orange card holder. So this is the card where it comes in, and then when I don't want to get my details, so I'm just hiding that part. But it was bought in Selfridges in Manchester. 2 things were purchased at the time. So the LV Petite Malle bag costs £3,500. And then moving on to the actual bag, it just comes in this canvasy type of dust bag. And then this is the bag. But like what I said before, this is just like the ribbon and how to care for it, kind of boring stuff. And then moving on to the best part of the video, moving on to the bag. So this is what it looks like. I've still kept that protective sticker on. So this bag is inspired by the history of LV trunks, from the monogram canvas to the gold hardware, as you can tell by the design of the trunk. So now I'll just give you a 360 tour of the bag. So this is the front, has the gold hardware and the monogram all over the bag. This is the side, and it's got a gold fastening where you can attach a leather strap to wear it as a crossbody. This is the back. Obviously you can see the trunk inspired design. That's the side. It literally is like a trunk. It's well cute. That's the top, and then that's it. Okay, so to open this bag, it can be quite hard at first, but all you've got to do, you can't like pull it or anything like that. All you've got to do is just push, and then the flap will come off, and then that's the top. And then that's what it looks like inside. And then you can fit your card holder or something like that in there. So I'll just show you what you can fit in this bag for reference. So literally all you can fit in is just your iPhone, a lipstick and a card, or even cash. Then you close it with a magnetic. That's just it. This is what the bag looks like with the outfit. I'm just wearing an all black outfit, and just wearing a black leather blazer from Zara, and I've just styled it with some jewellery. And this is the bag. Obviously it stands out because it's brown, and I'm trying to get a close up of it, and then you just open it like, I don't even know how to open it. You just open it like this, and then it's a magnetic strap as so, and that's my Petite Malle LV bag. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and styling of the LV Petite Malle trunk bag. And we'll try to upload more videos. Just please let me know what you want to see in the future, and just leave any comments if you have any questions below.